Hello, I wasn't going to make a video for a while, but here's a thought I just run past you. The reason I stopped before was because the bottom of this is the tiger moth, the Apex tiger moth here. I was concerned about the light there, fit, and whether or not it would have been straight, the right angle on there. It doesn't quite fit this, so I didn't know about the angle between that wing and the top wing. And if I get this wing wrong, then all the struts to the top wing will be wrong too. And some will be put in that way and some will be put in that way. So I thought, well, that was really frustrating. That's one of the reasons I've stopped for a bit. It doesn't quite fit there. I know there's a slight angle normally, but it didn't seem to be. I expected to fit in properly, but it's sticking out, see. So I thought, well, something's gone wrong. But I thought, why do I have to follow the instructions? Because you don't necessarily. I'll build it upside down. So what I'm going to do over the next couple of weeks of remaining warm weather is build it upside down and then put the bottom wing on afterwards. I'll see if it works. If it doesn't work, then it's just another kit wasted, but that's the plan anyway. I've got all the parts ready, and I have to do all the interior, all the cockpit area first. Put the main struts on the wings and the fuselage area, so it'll be upside down, a bit like a Pete and Paul type of airplane with a mono-wing on the top. But then I'll come along with get the bottom wing to fit properly, and the front engine part and the carriage, and before you know it, I'll have a slap together model of a tiger moth, which I got aftermarket decals for. I'm going to do it in the Australian version, there and there. So there we are. It's a bit of a unexpected brief video for you. Take a bit of Tamiya tape off to show you what I do. All Tamiya tape keeps it in place, you see. Not sponsored by Tamiya, but their tape is the best I know of for this sort of thing. Clean that up there. There's little markings for the cockpit glass to go there. You see the scale of it. This is a regular size tweezers, yeah, ordinary tweezers. Again, the shot, and there's about 5mm by there, about 1/4 of an inch between each of the cabin areas, seat areas. Width, it is actually the fuselage, main fuselage, except for the engine, is the same size as a pair of tweezers. So there we are. Gives you an idea of the scale, doesn't it? And the wings aren't much bigger either, but they got lots of detail on them. And yeah, hopefully I'll be able to get this finished by the end of the next few weeks. And the alternative to building it in sequence according to the instructions in the kit will make all the difference. Because at the end of the day, how the top wing is on will make more of a difference to how it looks than how the bottom wing is on. So there we are, slap together, model done, hey presto. I can't care anymore, come on, it's just supposed to be for fun, isn't it? Alright, you take care everybody, bye bye.